The next splint we're going to apply is the long leg posterior splint. We want to prevent this patient from doing any walking on this particular splint, so we're going to put her at about 45-degree angle here. And the splint will be placed from the tip of the toes all the way up to the thigh. So we're going to go ahead and measure and then apply the splint. I'm actually going to measure from the top of the leg. So we measured for the splinting material. Remove it from the sleeve here. Make sure all the jagged edges are covered. You don't want this prickly material sticking in the patient's flesh there. That's going to make them very uncomfortable. So we want to prevent that by pulling this material out over the fiberglass itself. Okay? With cool, clean water, minimum water applied. You want to remove all the excess water by rolling it up in a towel. Once that's been complete, I'll take your palm of your hands and run it the length of the splint to remove all the excess wrinkles from the splinting material. And there you have a wrinkle-free splint. I like to do a little fold down here, and it serves as a nice little border. And I think it really makes the patient a lot more comfortable. So we're going to and we're going to proceed with wrapping the splint. And I like to start at the right there at the ankle. Sure the foot is in the right position. And if you need to, after you've gotten it placed, then we'll readjust and put the foot in the right position. Again, once we have the splint done, you have plenty of time to go ahead and the leg in the right position along with the foot, and then the splint begins to harden in that particular position. So here we have it, and I'm just going to hold it, kind of mold it around the limb, the length of the limb. Make sure you have as few wrinkles as possible. And there you have your long leg posterior split.